The easiest side hustle and the ultimate business model for 2025 is YouTube automation. Young people are earning thousands, if not millions, of dollars with this approach, all from the comfort of their homes. Recently, I created a video where I shared the 5 best niches you can dive into with YouTube automation to earn thousands of dollars monthly. Many of you have been asking me to create a course on one specific niche, the what if niche. Well, the wait is finally over. Today, I'm excited to show you a next-level video concept I created for this niche.
Imagine waking up one morning and realizing every ocean, every sea, every drop of salt water on Earth is gone. No shimmering waves, no crashing tides, no endless blue horizon, just vast, empty basins of dust and despair. What would happen to our planet? To life itself? Let's dive into this shocking hypothetical scenario. To make this scenario possible, we need an extraordinary event. Maybe the sun flares up, unleashing an unprecedented solar storm. Or perhaps a runaway greenhouse effect.
Fascinating, right? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fully monetizable YouTube channel in this niche, step by step. So grab your computer and follow along with me. By the time you finish watching this, you'll be equipped to create a channel like this one with 8.2 million subscribers, earning over $30,000 a month, or another one with 780,000 subscribers, making more than $3,000 a month. The choice is yours. We'll begin with branding. In this part, I'll guide you through creating a name, description, logo, and banner for your channel. Let's get started. First, let's head over to ChatGPT to generate some name ideas for this niche. I'm using a simple yet effective prompt for this. You don't need to overthink this step. It's quick and straightforward. All right, we now have 10 great name ideas for the channel. One of my favorites is Imagine Science, but since we won't focus exclusively on science content, I've decided to go with another option, Hypothetherium. Next, let's ask ChatGPT to draft a description for this channel. Done. This works perfectly as our channel description. Now, it's time to create a logo. I'll use this specific prompt to generate one, as you can see here. For our channel name, Hypothetherium, I've designed a logo featuring a bold capital H. You can easily adapt this to any other letter for your own branding. Wow, that turned out amazing. I'm going to use this logo for the channel. Using a similar process, I'll now create a banner image for the channel. This step is equally simple. Within seconds, you can produce a professional-looking banner to pair with your logo. And just like that, the branding process is complete. Now, let me walk you through how to find content ideas for this niche. Honestly, finding ideas for this niche is incredibly simple. You can take inspiration from similar channels, or if that doesn't work, just use this prompt to generate an unlimited number of video ideas. It took me only 5 seconds to generate a list of ideas for this niche. That's one of the reasons why the what if niche is so easy and rewarding to get started with. Next, I'm going to choose one of these interesting topics and generate a video script for it using ChatGPT. Let's go with this idea. What if all the oceans evaporated overnight? I've created a specialized prompt to generate scripts for topics like this. With this prompt, you can craft highly engaging and unique video scripts in no time. This script, for example, is perfect for our first video. Now, we move on to the next step, generating voiceovers for the script. I'll use 11 labs for this process. First, let's pick an AI voice that suits the video. A casual voice works best here. After selecting the voice, paste the script into the tool and generate the voiceovers section by section. This step is super easy. Just make sure to break it down to ensure smooth results. Once the voiceover is ready, it's time to create AI-generated videos to match the script. For this, the best tool is Hailuo AI. If you've seen the example videos made with this tool, you'll know how powerful and versatile it is. Take a look at this. A video of a cat running at top speed, just like CGI in blockbuster movies. The amazing part? You can convert static images into videos or simply use text prompts to generate whatever video you need. Let's test this tool by generating some AI videos for our project. First, I'll try a basic text-to-video prompt. I want to create a clip of water pouring into a glass, so I'll type it in. Let's see the result. Done. Wow, this looks incredible. Ultra realistic. Next, let's try something more complex. I want to create a video of an alien ship leaving Earth, followed by Earth being destroyed. I've written a detailed prompt for this. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to write advanced prompts like this later. The video is ready. Let's check it out. This is mind-blowing. It only took seconds to generate such a fantastic result. Now let's have some fun and try the image-to-video feature. I have this image of a jellyfish, so let's convert it into a video. I'll add the prompt. Jellyfish swims upward. Done. The result looks clean and visually stunning. For another test, let's use an image of a dragon. I want to make it look like the dragon is flying into the sky. I'll type that into the prompt. The video has been generated. Let's see it. It's good, but with a more detailed prompt, the result could be even better. Now, let's focus on converting our script into a full video. The script starts like this. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing every ocean, every sea, every drop of salt water on Earth is gone. We'll begin the video with a scene of someone waking up near a beach, followed by a sequence of the oceans evaporating, and finally, a breathtaking shot of Earth from space. For these scenarios, we'll need highly detailed prompts. Let me show you exactly how to create those prompts. First, let's head over to ChatGPT. I'll start by using this prompt. Act as a prompt engineer and analyze and improve the following simple prompts to get an accurate and detailed output. Next, I'll type in my simple prompt. A person waking up in a hotel near a beach. We can clearly see the beach from the windows. ChatGPT will refine this into a detailed prompt for us. Once it's ready, I'll copy the improved prompt and paste it into Hailuo AI under the text-to-video option. Now let's move on to the second video clip. I'll go back to ChatGPT and add this simple prompt. Oceans are evaporating and sea levels are decreasing. As before, ChatGPT will analyze and enhance it into a more detailed prompt. Once it's done, I'll paste the improved prompt into Hailuo AI, just like I did for the first scene. For the final scene of this segment, I want a breathtaking shot of Earth from space, zooming in as the planet loses its color and transforms into a barren desert. I'll type this into ChatGPT and let it enhance the prompt for us. Now, all three prompts are ready and the videos are generating. It will take a few minutes for the process to complete. Let's check out the results. Here's the first scene. This is fantastic, exactly as I envisioned it. Now, the second scene. Wow, this is amazing. It perfectly captures the oceans evaporating and the dramatic drop in sea levels. Finally, let's view the third scene. Incredible. This scene nails the concept of Earth turning into a lifeless desert. Using the method I just demonstrated, I've generated multiple video clips for our project. Here's why it's important to use dynamic videos like these in this niche. You can't monetize videos with static images. However, by creating high-quality, engaging video clips like these, you'll have no issues monetizing your channel. Of all the AI tools I've tested, Hailuo AI stands out as the best and most accurate video generator. Just look at the results we achieved. It's clear how powerful this tool is. When you sign up, you'll receive free credits to start experimenting with video creation. Plus, there are affordable subscription plans, including options with unlimited credits, which are perfect for creators managing multiple channels or content pages. Before moving on to the next step, we need to gather some background sound effects for the video. Websites like Pixabay are excellent resources for this. Be sure to download all the sound effects you'll need to make your video more immersive. Now, let's dive into the video editing process. For the editing process, I'll be using CapCut. Let's begin by starting a new project and selecting the 16:9 ratio for the video size. Once that's set, import all the video clips, voiceovers, and sound effects we've prepared. First, Add the voiceovers to the timeline like this. Next, drag and drop the video clips we generated with Hailuo AI onto the timeline, aligning them with the video script. Make sure each clip matches perfectly with the narration. There's a part in the script that says, "What would happen to our planet? To life itself?" Let's dive into this shocking hypothetical scenario. For this segment, I'll add a grid layer and some captions to emphasize it. Here's how you can do it. Go to the text menu and add a custom text layer. Rename this text layer as subtitles like this. You can adjust the text in the side menu, adding a good font and some standout effects to enhance the visual appeal. Once done, it should look like this. Next, continue adding the remaining video clips to complete the entire timeline. Now that the timeline is ready, let's add some transitions between the clips to make the video more engaging. Go to the Transitions menu at the top, choose suitable transition effects, and drag and drop them between clips. After that, incorporate the sound effects into the necessary parts of the video. Adding these effects strategically will make your video more dynamic and engaging for viewers. Once that's complete, it's time to add captions. Go to the text menu and use the auto caption feature. This tool will automatically generate captions for your video. Now edit these captions and enhance them with animations. Choose a stylish font and a nice text effect from the menu. Then, go to the animation section to add some cool caption animations like this. With all these elements in place, the video creation process is complete. Here's the final output.
Imagine waking up one morning and realizing every ocean, every sea, every drop of salt water on Earth is gone. No shimmering waves, no crashing tides, no endless blue horizon, just vast, empty basins of dust and despair. What would happen to our planet? To life itself? Let's dive into this shocking hypothetical scenario. To make this scenario possible, we need an extraordinary event. Maybe the sun flares up, unleashing an unprecedented solar storm. Or perhaps a runaway greenhouse effect spikes temperatures, causing the oceans to evaporate in an instant. Either way, the outcome is catastrophic. As the oceans evaporate, the atmosphere fills with billions of tons of water vapor, a potent greenhouse gas. This transforms Earth into a pressure cooker. Temperatures soar, triggering a vicious cycle of heat and more evaporation. Without oceans, the world's weather systems collapse. Storms vanish, leaving some areas in perpetual drought, while others are scorched by relentless heat. Coastal cities like New York and Tokyo would become ghost towns, surrounded by barren salt plains. Marine life, over 230,000 known species, vanishes in the blink of an eye. Coral reefs, fish, whales, plankton, gone. And with plankton gone, a major source of Earth's oxygen disappears too. Breathing? That just became a lot harder.
This looks amazing. Thanks to Hailuo AI, this is a 100% monetizable video. As the final step of this course, let me show you how to create a thumbnail for this video. You can easily create a thumbnail image using ChatGPT. I've crafted a specific prompt for that. Simply replace the title of the video, and you'll be able to generate a cool thumbnail like this. Next, add text to the image using an editor like Canva. This process is really simple and effective. And with that, today's video comes to a close. I hope you learned some valuable insights. I'll see you guys in the next one.